Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we're here in Southeast Cape Coral. Okay, I want to show you this neighborhood here. It's probably built up the 1980s and 90s, but you have houses older in your, like for instance, this house over here seems to be like from the 2000s, okay? All these homes here on the right, they're all Gulf access homes. See, you can see back here, all the Gulf access, okay? There's the canal, okay? The nice thing about the Southeast is that you have the mature landscape, you know, that the Southwest don't have. You have very nice mature landscape. Okay, if you're interested, you know, to buy a house in the Southeast around this area, please feel free to go on the link below, and it will show you all the homes that are available around this area that I'm showing you. Okay. Before I continue, I would like to welcome all the new subscribers that have come in. Hope you enjoy my videos. And please give us your comments. And if you have any questions about Cape Coral, Fort Myers area, if you're planning to move, feel free to contact us. My wife and I have been selling Cape Coral real estate in Fort Myers for around 20 years. So we've been here a long time. So we would love to hear from you and answer any questions you might have. Okay? And please tell your friends and share my videos so I get you guys help me out showing more Cape Coral. Okay, so now today I'm gonna have a special trip for you. I'm gonna take you to Rosen Park, and it's for those people that have boats but don't have a Gulf access home. There's three in the Southeast. There's 3 boat ramps available for you. So this is one of them. Okay, this is direct Gulf access to Caloosahatchee River. Okay, I'll show you. This is called the Rosen Park. On the link below, I'm gonna put a link with all the marinas that are available in Cape Coral, so that way you could check them out. So if you're buying a home on a dry lot, you can see where the marina is, so you're not that far. Okay. Over here you see all the gazebos that you have available for picnicking, and you have also here the bathrooms. Over here you got a boat ramp. This is what the boat ramp looks like. It's very nice and wide. You got 2 of them, and on this other side, you got the parking. Okay. So let me move over a little. Over here, this is the other boat ramp, and we continue over here. And here's the bathroom. Here are the bathrooms. And back over there, it's a marina that the city rents lots. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna park somewhere on here, get down and show you the canal itself, how far it is, and give you more information, okay? So wait a second until I come back, okay? One second. You guys still hunting me? Go out the head. I'm still here. I'm still here, sir. Okay, welcome back. I'm back here. Let me show you the canal here. Check how beautiful. That you see all the way at the end, that's the Caloosahatchee River. And over here, all those boats you see there, they're all slots that you could rent from the city, so you could park your boat there. I'm gonna put a link on the bottom showing you the link for the city, so that way you have one more information, just you could call them up and also be able to see all the boat ramps, okay? So check out the mangrove, how beautiful. There's this beautiful canal. Saw that fish jump there? That's pretty cool. There's another one more. It's a beautiful day. It's approximately 68 degrees. This is what Florida it's all about. You can see this park is very well maintained, beautiful landscape. Got the water. Beside this boat being fixed there. Okay, look at the fish. Okay, this is the boat ramp. You see how wide it is? You have that concrete all rough, so your tires won't slide. Okay. Now we're gonna move over to this other side. Is the other boat ramp. Now I'm going to take you out this little sidewalk trail here that goes along the canal. Remember, if you liked what you see, you would like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button, okay? If you have any questions about real estate in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, feel free to call us. We're here for you. I hope you're enjoying all of my videos. And remember, if you see anything that you like or you have any questions, feel free to call me. My wife and I have been selling real estate in this area for over 20 years. So, and if you're thinking about coming, now is the time. We have a lot of people moving to Florida and Cape Coral, Fort Myers. So I'm gonna be working on another video showing you why are they moving, why are they selecting Cape Coral, why is Cape Coral booming so much. So please subscribe and stay up with our videos, and you will see what I mean. I'm just gonna give you like statistics and stuff. so you get familiarized with what's going on here. Check out this boat going around. See how cool. And over here is those gazebos that I was talking about. Okay, you got 3 gazebos, and they all have a barbecue area. So this is something you could do in your weekend and invite your family over, bring them over, cook over here on the barbecue, and enjoy the peaceful, watch the boat pass by, and the people unloading their boats. Okay, and you could walk along this beautiful trail here along the canal. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tell your friends if you have anybody that is thinking about moving to Florida and they're looking for a great city. Actually, Cape Coral is the 8th largest city in population in Florida. It's also the number 5th city in land mass in Florida. So, and we're not, our city itself, it's not even, I think maybe a little bit more than half to capacity. So we have a lot of space, place for people to move in and spread out. That's why the city is getting all their parks together, building more parks and working on the infrastructure, water and sewer to provide for all those future customers. This place here is amazing. We have more canals than Venice, between the dry freshwater canals and the Gulf Access canals. We got miles and miles of canals. So it's a great place. One of the things that make it so good is the proximity to the other big cities. So if you want to go to Miami for a day and come back, you could do it. You could go to Miami Beach and come back the same day. They're talking almost 2.5 hours trip, 2.5, 3 hours, depending where you're going. Also, you have also access to Tampa, to Sarasota, and to Orlando. Tampa, you're looking at around 2 hours. Orlando, you're looking about 3.5 hours, where all the Magic Kingdom and all the nice fun parks are. Okay, so just giving away almost a couple of little things I'm gonna make on that video, why people are moving to this area, to Cape Coral, Fort Myers. Actually, another reason is the temperature. It's a very nice temperature during the winter. Believe it or not, if Tampa, it's a lot colder than is here. So that's something, to look forward. We had people that moved up north and from here, and they actually came down, sold their house up there, moved down here because down here was much warmer for them during the winter. So those are some of the things I'll be talking about in that other video, but I'll have statistics and things to show you in the other video that I'm talking about. Planning to launch it sometimes in January. And I'm gonna have my newsletter, my visual newsletter on it, so with a link that you could click on it and find more information on properties being sold and stuff like that, statistics. So, well, I'm back where I started. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Check out the boat, it's already leaving, look. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.